Hey everybody, this week's recipe is a chard salad. I love this recipe because it is quick, easy, and it can really go with any kind of protein like fish, chicken, or in this case I made barbecue ribs. It also only has 5 ingredients, most of which you should already have at hand. The ingredients include lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, toasted pine nuts, and of course chard. Oh, and you'll need a salad spinner as well. Start by cutting the ends off the chard. You can save the ends and use them for vegetable stock, or even as a substitute for celery. Roughly chop the leaves, throw them into the bowl of the salad spinner, and take the whole affair over to the sink. So this is a method I use to wash pretty much any kind of lettuce, anything from spinach, watercress, any lettuce that is dirty and that you need to rinse. Start by taking a large bowl. In this case, the bottom bowl of the salad spinner is most convenient, and you want to fill it nearly all the way with cold tap water. Then massage the lettuce in the tap water. This gets rid of any dirt or grime that may be stuck within the lettuce. Sometimes you may need to do this once or twice, but in my case, my lettuce was pretty clean, so I just did this once and drained them. Then put the lettuce through the salad spinner, give it a few good twists, and it should come out nicely clean and dry. Slice the lettuce as thin as you possibly can, toss together with the pine nuts, as well as a good cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't use Parmesan Reggiano here, because you need quite a lot of Parmesan cheese and that would get pretty expensive. To make a simple vinaigrette for the salad, combine the zest and juice of half a lemon with 3 times the amount of extra virgin olive oil. Season with salt and pepper and whisk until fully emulsified. Combine with the salad and you're done. Oh, and make sure to serve it cold.